In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use credit notes and write off for sales invoices in Zoho Books. Whether you're new to Zoho Books or just need a refresher, this guide will help you navigate through the platform with ease. Let's get started. First, we're going to begin by heading over to the Zoho Books dashboard. When you log into your Zoho Books account, you should be on the dashboard by default. If not, you can simply click on the dashboard link from the main menu on the left. Once you're there, the next thing you'll want to do is click on the Sales option. It's located on the sidebar to the left of your screen. This menu is where you'll find all your sales-related activities, making it an essential part of managing your finances in Zoho Books. Now let's move on to Credit Notes. Find and click on the Credit Notes tab under the Sales section. Credit Notes are a useful tool in Zoho Books as they allow you to credit a customer's account when, for instance, there's a return of goods or services. You'll see a list of all your existing credit notes here. After that, choose a credit note from the list. Click on it and it will open up a new window where you can review the details. This is helpful when you need a closer look at what's been credited to your customer. If you need to make any changes, go ahead and click on the Edit button. You'll find it on the top of the screen. This option lets you modify any part of the credit note, should you find any errors or require adjustments to the credit amount. As you edit, pay special attention to the item table. Here you can adjust the details of the items associated with this credit note. You can change quantities, descriptions, or prices if necessary. This flexibility ensures that your credit notes are always up to date and accurate. Once you've made your edits, click on Save. This will ensure all your changes are saved correctly within the system. Saving regularly prevents you from losing data you've worked on, so it's a good habit to develop. Now let's create a new credit note. Start by clicking on Credit Notes again and then select the New button on the top right of your screen. You'll be required to fill out several fields, starting with choosing the customer name you're crediting. Make sure to select a date for the credit note. This date should ideally reflect when the credit was agreed upon or when the goods or services were reversed. Next, focus on the item table again. You can list each item or service that the credit note will cover. Ensure everything is listed and accounted for to avoid discrepancies. Finally, after filling out all the necessary information, click the Save button once more, and there you have it. You've successfully created a credit note in Zoho Books. I hope you found this guide helpful. Making use of credit notes and managing your sales invoices becomes straightforward and efficient when using Zoho Books. Thank you for joining me today.